roses.
Dito ka lang ha. Sabihin ko sila ate ha.
I don't want to wash my hair, but I like need to. I've heard of the avocado one. I think that my hands are fairly big. I at least have long fingers for a woman.
Daga.
What to use as a space comparison? It says
Dahon.
a pair of Apple AirPods.
Dahon. Ay,
This is a gallon water jug.
Laki ka na, dalaga ka na, baby. Ano yan? Oh, dalaga.
Tell me your dream. God, I don't remember. I just know that there's been someone in my dream that I would rather not be there.
Dalandan niya. Maliit pa ba? Dalandan niya, malaki yan.
My ex keeps trying to pop up in my dreams.
Dalawa.
I'm always stuck at my parents' house. I'm always like actively stuck at my parents' house. Always my parents' house. Like, every single day I have dreams about my parents' house. And like constantly trying to do stuff and not like being able to.
Dasar, yan. Dasar ka.
Do whatever it is that I'm trying to do. What's he doing in them? I don't remember. I don't remember what he's doing.
Color dilaw.
Just know that he's
Ano color?
there.
Dilaw. Hindi. Yellow.
He was pretty good. Eat some good food, talk to some cool people. I love to heavy things too. I don't have as much